So thanks for jumping back once again into the crypto channel. I welcome you all to the series Technical Analysis. In this series we analyze these different coins every day and give you potential entries so that you can get some financial freedom as well as some good information and knowledge. So for those of you who are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel and you leave the thumbs up. And one more announcement that I have is that I have been busy in recording a complete technical analysis course. I have till now recorded almost 6 episodes. It will be almost 20 episodes. I guess that's a rough guess, by the way. So soon I hope I will upload the course in let's say in next week. So stay tuned for that if you want to learn technical analysis and learn everything that I'm saying here about cryptocurrencies and how to buy them, sell them, do everything with them. Okay, so the coin that we are going to analyze today is the Anchor protocol. I have already uploaded a video about Anchor protocol, which is right here in the corner. You can see at this corner, I mean. So I wanted to give an update on the ANC Anchor protocol. So let's start by finding a good support. So by the time I recorded the video, the Anchor protocol, it was breaking out at this place. However, there was some sort of selling at this level. So what's happening currently in Anchor protocol is that it seems to be taking support at this level. You can see it's currently at this level. So I don't want ANC to go below this point. So I don't want ANC to go below this point, which is definitely not a good idea. As you can see, we have a decline in this volume, declining the buying volume for Anchor protocol. You can see continuous decline. That's also a decline. That was already not a good sign after that this happened. However, some days, 2 or 3 days back, we received a less volume. There was, I think, a lot of leverage positions. I already mentioned in my previous video that it was not a good thing for the ANC to move up with such lines. Okay, as you can see, we had this good bullish crossover, i.e. let's say and it did not last for so long and came back to this bearish crossover. Now this crossing, this is not good already. It already happened here, and this is not good for Anchor protocol. So what should we expect on Anchor? Let's just find out. So, well, in the immediate short term, if Anchor protocol fails this level, this area, so this would be the next target area for that, which is at a very low position. So that is what I don't want for Anchor protocol to that happen. But if you are buying it for the longer terms, for let's say for 2 or 3 years, so that's not a problem. However, if you are looking for some short-term entries, you might want to consider this area for Anchor protocol. If I open the 4-hour time frame, you can see that right before this area there is a support. There is a massive support, a historical support, which you get from this place. So that is a point that you should be watching for the ANC. You can place your orders at this point. If someday ANC reaches there, that would be a good luck for you guys. Okay, now talking about this thing that I just extracted right now, these fibs from that point. They tell us that this should be the last point. So we can give it another try at this place as well. Let me just draw it for you. So that is another zone for the anchor protocol for buying at a good level. So if I was at your place, I would probably enter at this place. I'm gonna write it down. Look, a good support. That's a good support. It's coinciding with the 0.78 fibs. So that is 0.18 almost there. As you can see previously as well, historically, you see that there was a lot of buying here. Actually, there was some sweep. Actually, you see these long wicks, that mean someone did some aggressive buying here, and at same level to the left place you can see there was some good selling, and again to this place you can see there was again selling. So that place has acted as a resistance, that is a 0.78 level, and now it will act as a good support. Okay, so there was a short-term wedge as well that the ANC broke out, but now it seems to be creating another one. Let me just do this. That won't be, I think, a valid one. We have to check it on 1 hour time frame. There was a good breakout that day. I uploaded the last video. You could have taken an entry, however this does not seem to be something that I use, something that I would consider as well. So that's useless. Let's just leave it here and watch out for these resistance levels. That would be an obvious resistance, this yellow line. It's 55 moving average, and this 100 moving average that would act as resistance for the ANC. However, this is the area you need to be looking for your term buying. So currently, for current scenarios, that will be it for the ANC. If something strange happens and something goes on, some elite waveforms, something else I see, I will let you know. You see these little head and shoulders that form here, that might have crashed the price here. So these things keep on happening in this market. So thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. If you have not subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel. And if you want to join our Telegram community and want to learn more about trading, want to talk to me, you can join. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.